Three current and former Boynton Beach police officers are on trial today, fighting charges they excessively beat a suspect, then tried to cover it up. CBS 12's Chuck Weber is live with what the trial may hinge on. Chuck?
Liz, moments ago, they were still picking a jury inside here, which is so important in a case like this. The defense looking for jurors sympathetic to the risks law officers face, while prosecutors search for people open-minded to officers making mistakes like everyone else. Boynton Beach officer Michael Brown and former officers Justin Harris and Ronald Ryan started their trial today here in federal court. A grand jury indicted the officers for excessively beating Jeffrey Braswell and trying to cover it up. The alleged beating came after a pursuit caught on heat signature video from the Palm Beach County Sheriff's helicopter. Braswell was a passenger in the car, but until this case, most attention centered on the driver, Byron Harris. Police say Harris refused to pull over and intentionally ran over an officer who suffered permanent injuries. Harris got a 3.5-year prison sentence, but won a $600,000 lawsuit settlement with the city of Boynton over his beating. Now the issue for this trial is if the officers involved committed a crime, the alleged beating of passenger Braswell. Patrick McKamey, former homicide prosecutor, is now a criminal defense attorney based in West Palm Beach.
The video seems to suggest excessive force when you look at it at first blush. But then what's going to happen is experts get involved. You slow the video down frame by frame. So it's going to come down to what were the commands, what was being said. Is he reaching for a weapon? Did they believe he had a weapon and was reaching for a weapon?
The trial of the three officers here expected to go into next week. After that, their sergeant will go on trial in a separate proceeding. The officers looking at 30 to 40 years in prison if convicted as charged. Live in West Palm Beach, Chuck Weber, CBS 12 News.